Good morning, guys. I don't even know if y'all can hear me out here. It's so windy today. It feels so good though, and all the leaves are falling. It's like in the 60s, so it feels so good. Max and I are enjoying outside, drinking my chai tea. Today we have got to clean out the fridge, clean out the pantry, restock the everyday pantry, and straighten up the prepper pantry. It has got to be done. I have put it off for weeks now where I haven't felt good. Winston's back in school. He was off last week for fall break, so now he's back in school this week, and I've got to get this done. So it is in rough shape. It's in rough shape, especially last week where he was home. He was in and out of the pantry grabbing snacks, and then the neighbor kids were also over here, and so there's just snacks thrown everywhere, and I have got to get my pantry organized. So that's what we're going to focus on today. So I really hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me today, and let's get cleaning. So here is what the prepper pantry looks like. It's just so bad. And I just put up a bunch of stuff in Mylar bags that I pulled from here. So I just really need to get in here organized. I am going to be doing like a big winter prepper pantry stock up in a couple weeks. So I just want to get in here and get this organized, because I literally, look at this. I have stuff everywhere. There is just snacks and food. That's full of food. And then there's just bags of stuff. It is bad, I'm telling y'all. So I got to get in here, reorganize all this. And I really need a fourth shelf, you guys. But I just don't know what we're going to do with that, because this room is, full. So I need to figure out a new game plan. I can't move this downstairs yet. I've talked about before that when we go and start renovating this house, one of the things we're going to do is build a food storage room downstairs in the basement. It's going to be a full room just of my food storage and like extra storage in general, like stuff that we stock up on from Sam's Club. But for now, this is what we're working with, and I really need a fourth shelf, but I just don't have room for it right this second. So I don't know what I need to do. I'm probably going to stock up my everyday pantry a little extra to give me room on these shelves for the prepper pantry stuff, because like I said, I've got stuff on the floor, I've got stuff over there. So we're going to focus on this first. Okay, I think it looks a lot better. Definitely still need to stock up on my beans. I need some more spaghetti sauce, and I definitely need more canned veggies. So I'm gonna add that to my list for my winter stock up. Probably get some more like baking things for the holidays as well. But now we're going to restock the everyday pantry, and some of this I will pull from my prepper pantry. So that way when I get new stuff, I'll just put it in here, and I work from my everyday pantry first. Okay, here's what we got going on. Definitely need to restock these snack bins, restock my pasta box mix shelf, and yeah, we just kind of got to get in here and get everything organized. And then, like I said, I will restock using my prepper pantry because I use this first, and then I will, when I buy new, I'll put it in my prepper pantry. That way it's first in, first out. So let's get this organized. Okie dokie, I got everything done, restocked the snack bins, and I need to buy some more. We are out of the chewy bars that we always get, so I'm going to write those down as well and get those this week. But got everything refilled, organized. My baking stuff is just at the top. Restocked the cans. Everything, and then anything that I have got from Amazon, I'll have it linked in my Amazon storefront, probably under kitchen, but look under a couple of the different ones, so it should be under kitchen stuff. I know the canning rack, I got that from Amazon, and then these containers as well I got from Amazon, so you can check that if y'all are interested. But yay. So happy. Now it is time to tackle this fridge. I'm just doing the fridge, I'm not doing the freezers. I just did those recently. So here is, it needs to be cleaned, y'all. It is bad shape. Before we get started cleaning out the fridge, I wanted to go ahead and mention that, as y'all see, we had to get a new dryer. It died. And Luke came home with one that didn't even match the washer. I am struggling with them not matching, I'm gonna be honest, but he got that dryer right there. It's a Samsung, and it was like retail was over like $1,000. He got it for 400 something. It was on clearance, nothing wrong with it. They had a bunch, so I have no clue. So he said it was cheaper to buy that than one to match. So eventually, if Grover doesn't take them with him whenever he moves out, if he doesn't need a washer and dryer, then we will probably just update the washing machine and then put both of those on like a lift. That way they're up a little higher. But that's what we're working with now. Y'all know I share real life, and having that mixed matched drives me absolutely bonkers, but there's nothing I can do about it right now. So here we are, living life, still doing laundry. That's all that matters, is that we have something to dry our clothes. But I figure I might get a comment or two about it, and so I thought I would address it. Now let's clean out this fridge. we are done. We definitely needed it. I didn't have to worry about the 2 bottom drawers because I actually did that a couple days ago because I had something spill in the bottom and I just went ahead and did both of those. So don't have to worry about that, but the rest of it needed to be wiped down. It was so bad, you guys. So got everything all nice and organized, and I didn't realize how much cheese I had. I had like a bunch of half bags that I combined and threw, you know, the packages away and combined the cheese bags. I'm bad about hoarding cheese, but at least I've got food stocked for my family. But that is everything. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you some inspiration and some motivation to get some stuff cleaned in your own house. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.